I strongly oppose human cloning, as do most Americans. We recoil at the idea of growing human beings for spare body parts or creating life for our convenience. And while we must devote enormous energy to conquering disease, it is equally important that we pay attention to the moral concerns raised by the new frontier of human embryo stem cell research. Even the most noble ends do not justify any means.
What you're seeing here is an actual cloning taking place at the research facility in Scotland that pioneered the technique. In theory, it's blindingly simple. You can take a cell from a human, a scraping of skin will do. Then get an egg from a female, remove the nucleus and fuse the two with a spark of electricity. And ta-da, you have an embryo. Implant the embryo in a woman, and 9 months later, you have a carbon copy.
What's the deal with human cloning? Why shouldn't we do it? What's the big deal? It's universally condemned. Primarily because of the psychological, social, and physiological reasons. I mean, a clone is just you. So do you get say over what happens to the clone? Because it is technically you. How about we just use eugenics and make clones of just the better humans and only have the better people? But doesn't that violate principles of human dignity, freedom, and equality? What about that clone's life? What about having to bear the fact that they aren't their own person? They're not technically a real human being. They are a scientifically made experiment. Now what about their health? Almost every clone has had dangerous mutations that are detrimental to their health. Why would you willingly put a being through that process that will ultimately make them die young and suffer? When you put it like that, cloning doesn't sound so good. Cloning's been in the works for years. It's outlawed in some places, but it's continuing to be done in others. And really, where do we draw the lines with human clones?